out there. We are watching this frontal boundary that's bringing all of this rainfall into the Tennessee Valley, and we're going to continue to see it heading into the rest of this afternoon and into the early part of tonight. So we're starting to see that rain really pick up and develop heading into around 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. It just thundered outside our FOX54 studio, so we kind of heard that. We are seeing a little bit of lightning embedded within some of this rain, so expect that to continue as well. So a few rumbles of thunder going to be possible heading into the afternoon once we see all of this rain continue to pick up and move through. We do have a few flash flood warnings really for the northern extreme portion of Jackson County because we did see a lot of rainfall being dumped in a short amount of time, and that rain really just kind of stayed stationary, but it is starting to move a little bit. We also do have a flash flood watch in effect for Lauderdale, Limestone, Madison, Jackson, DeKalb, and Marshall counties. This is going to last until 7 o'clock this evening. It also includes Giles and Lincoln counties in southern Middle Tennessee. It is doom and gloom outside, to be quite honest. It is going to be gloomy conditions throughout the rest of today. We're going to continue to see clouds. If you're not seeing rain, you will see clouds, but much of us going to be seeing rain, and you can really kind of already tell what areas have seen rain so far this morning. 83 in Florence, but we've seen rain here in Huntsville. We're sitting at 78 in Arab, mid-70s in Fayetteville, Russellville sitting right at 82, Fort Payne also sitting at 82 degrees. But the dew points continue to rise and will continue to stay elevated into the next couple of days, meaning that the muggy conditions are going to continue. It's very humid outside. And that's also going to aid in our feels-like temperatures staying in the lower 100s for at least the next 5 days across the Tennessee Valley. So 103 peak heat index value expected for tomorrow, and we'll stay in the lower 100s heading into the weekend and the early part of next week. Now we are relatively calm if we're talking about the winds all across the Tennessee Valley right now, only about 3 miles per hour in Athens, 5 in Huntsville, 5 down in Coleman, 9 in Scottsboro. We're not really expecting wind to be an issue today, but it could get kind of breezy as this rain rolls through. Now temperatures only expected to warm into the upper 80s for the afternoon because we are expected to see a good amount of rainfall today, and rain chances are really going to pick up heading into the 3 o'clock until about the 6 o'clock hours. I probably would say rain will begin to come to an end around 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock later tonight, and we should be dry from that point on. So it should be a very dry start to your Thursday morning. So for the rest of today, we're just going to continue to track rain and a few thunderstorms. Some of these storms do have a little bit of lightning embedded within them, so be mindful of that. If you are going to be out and about, make sure to have the umbrella with you. We'll be dry heading into late tonight, early Thursday morning, but notice how we're going to continue to pick up on the cloud cover. Expect tomorrow to be mostly to partly cloudy heading into the afternoon. We could see a few peaks of sunshine, but that's also when we're going to see some more rain develop, and that will continue heading into late Thursday afternoon into about Thursday night. So notice the southern half of the Tennessee Valley still expected to see rain move through right around 8 o'clock tomorrow evening. And like I said, it's really just for the southern half. So Coleman County, Marshall County, DeKalb County, Morgan County is probably going to be seeing some rain move through. So 10 o'clock tomorrow night, that's when we'll start to see that rain exit the state, and heading into early Friday morning, it looks like it's going to be a dry start then as well. So 73 is where low temperatures heading for the overnight, low 90s for tomorrow afternoon, and we'll see scattered showers and thunderstorms stay in the forecast. Now temperatures finally going to warm to above average. I know I say finally, but usually in August we trend above average for a good majority of the month, really a good majority of the summer. So temperatures are expected to get close to the mid-90s heading into the weekend and into early next week. Our average high for this time of the year right around 92 degrees. Now after today and tomorrow, rain chances going to start to slim down heading into the weekend. Only going to be about a 10% chance for rain, and then looking ahead to at least the first half of next week, we're only expected to see about a 20% chance for rain. Now we've got Tropical Storm Erin has formed in the Atlantic. Right now it is still just a tropical storm, but it is expected to strengthen into a Category 3 hurricane. So that is classified as a major category, major hurricane. But we are going to continue to watch this as it moves on into closer to portions of the United States, really specifically that eastern coast. It's not expected to make landfall, but of course it's the weather. Everything can always change. But as of right now, that's what the track is looking like. So upper 80s for today, low 90s heading into Thursday. We'll stay in the low 90s heading into this upcoming weekend. Mostly sunshine expected both Saturday and Sunday. There is that very, very small opportunity for a little bit of rain. But notice heading into Monday and Tuesday of next week, high temperature is going to be staying in the mid to low 90s with small opportunities for rain.